In this activity, you and your group are going to be scaling the size of the planets in the solar system compared to the sun. Depending on the amount of time that we have in class, you may be doing all of the planets or you may only be doing some, so make sure that you know which planets are your responsibility today. Be prepared to share your findings with the rest of the class when the working time is over. Make sure also that you're taking notes as we go along because there is space on your paper for these notes. In this model, we're going to use an exercise ball to represent the sun. The exercise ball that we have today has a diameter of 70 centimeters, or at least that's what it said on the box, so that's what we're going to go with. Make sure that you write this down in your notes. Now, we need to do some math in order to figure out how to get the exercise ball to represent the sun and have it be accurate. So, the equation that we're going to use is right here. We can look up, I have looked up for you, that the actual diameter of the sun is 1,400,000 kilometers. That's very big. We need to make it fit inside the classroom. So, we're going to use this equation. 1,400,000 kilometers divided by 70 centimeters gives us the number of 20,000. This is called a scale factor. This is what we're going to divide by. So, to find the scaled size of your planet, this goes in the third place in your notes. What is the scale we will use? To find the scaled size of your planets, you're going to use actual size in kilometers divided by 20,000 is going to equal scaled size in centimeters. You are going to find the actual size of the planet in the diameter column of the planetary data that's available to you. Notice, please, that it has two units on this column. It has miles and it has kilometers. This is tricky, guys, because kilometers are second. Use the kilometers. Do not use the miles. Your math will be very funny. Please use the kilometers. So you would do, for example, to find the size of Mercury, 4,878 kilometers divided by 20,000 is going to give you the scaled size in centimeters. I give you a hint. For the inner planets, you're going to be working with millimeters. I'm going to have a special tool for you to use, and I will come to your group and explain it. It does not fit in the video. Okay, so you're going to have some very, very small numbers that you're working with here. I will get you the right tool. Please, at this point, look up the actual size in kilometers of the planets you're supposed to be working with. Fill in your chart, find the scaled size as a group, and then you are going to find the objects from the choices that I bring to you that you think will best represent that planet when compared to the sun. Then you need to be prepared to share your findings with the class because we want everyone to be able to experience really what the size of these planets are in comparison to the sun.